to my heartful thank to everyone, those who are continuously supporting to us. On behalf of AtheenaPandian Private Limited, we are respectful to many of the institutions, many of the hospitals, many of the healthcare supporters, and also my management team, especially my friend, Human Resource Head, Sai Prasad Gore, my financial head, Harmuga Shakti, my HR marketing, my HR training, and my shareholders, and my professional development team head, Dr. Karthik. So, on behalf of all these peoples in the management, I thank everyone for the support. Keep on going. So today, it's a special day actually. I am waiting for the long period because we started this particular group, that is AtheenaPandian group, at the year of 2016. So from the starting itself, I am alone doing all the things to develop myself and try to develop the domain, especially in the healthcare, that is biomedical engineering. So from 2016 onwards, I am searching the people, those who are inspiring me a lot. I am searching a people, those who are working hard towards the work. Once I start promote as an enterprises to the private limited, some of the people, some of the respectful people will join with me, join hands to promote biomedical engineering to the world. By the way, we started our first branch at Kutralam, along with my dear biomedical trainers, especially Mohammad Sheikh Maidin, Abdul Bashid. I started with two people, joined with my hands in the right and left hand. We started doing works and started sharing a knowledge to the people of biomedical engineering. And it is keep on going and start connecting the institutions. Almost we connected 31 biomedical engineering institutions, and we just trained almost 3,500 people in all around Tamil Nadu. And through the online, we connected almost 3,500 people, almost 7,000 people we just connected to provide training in the year of 2022 itself I am talking about. So from the starting to the end, we are having to the end, it means that till this 26th of May 2022, we are searching the people, those who are giving the commitment towards on the development of AtheenaPandian group. So today, we are framing some of the different structural development of AtheenaPandian group. So that is what we are planning to give some of the commitments, some of the dedications, and some of the management side of works to the trustable person. And we are expecting the same thing for the development, and whatever the things happen in the 2016 to 2022, we are expecting all the things will be happen, and we are covering all the biomedical engineers globally. So there are so many things waiting for you to connecting all the peoples in all around the world with AtheenaPandian group. So for that, I am just introducing the Chief Training Officer, because next to the management, the whole come in one umbrella, that is the Chief Training Officer, that is CTO. So on behalf of AtheenaPandian Private Limited, my proud moment, in absence of my management peoples, I am just hand over this particular position to our senior biomedical trainer Rashika. So I'm expecting all this thing happen. Because we are planning to connecting globally within the year of 2027. So all these things happens, they need the head to, they need a leadership to follow all these instructions, to manage all the trainers and to manage all the people's connections and everything. So for that, I'm introducing you people, because most of the people, they know Rashika as a biomedical trainer, but now she is going to promote as Chief Training Officer officially, and at the same time, this particular position will boost you, and at the same time, this particular position will boost the management of AtheenaPandian Group to travel in a long way with the most trustable scenarios we need to follow. So, so it is an exact time, the right time. I hand over the 50% or 60% of my works and responsibilities to the CTO. So I hope so this particular position will endorsed, and this particular position will be enlightened the development of the AtheenaPandian Group. Okay, so now, so the position is going to be introduced, because there are so many things and so many important things for the students' point of view, and at the same time, most of the institutional point of view and the hospital connecting point of view. This particular position will give much amount of support and much amount of connections to every one of the people, those who are completing biomedical engineering. So yes, of course, this is the time I am just introduced my trainer, my previous senior biomedical trainer, Ms. Rashika, to take over this particular designation for the development of the AtheenaPandian Group globally. Okay, so I welcome Ms. Rashika for this position, and I'm requesting the Rashika to take this opportunity and take this enlightenment to the development of the incorporation. So all the best.
Thank you, sir.
So take your seat first. So this is my proud moment to say this particular thing. I'm just have a so all the best, and one minute. So I'm just on behalf of Sai Prasad, on behalf of the management team, I'm just in Tamil they say no Sengol, like that. I'm just give Darsha. So, so this is the thing that I want to think as a Sengol, I think so. So I need Rashika to wear this, and whenever you have this particular thing in your hand, you just think about the development, and we just think about the enlightenment where we can able to approach and where we can able to give. And so idu muchite right hand side la you just leave right hand side la pottu. So so now, my dear pursuing biomedical engineering students, my dear head of the institutions, my dear head of the departments, and my dear human resource head of various companies. So my dear CTO, that is Chief Training Officer, will connect you afterwards, and Chief Training Officers connect you whatever the thing actually you required on behalf of the development of your incorporation. That is totally connecting AtheenaPandian Private Limited through Rashika. So that is what I am just asked here to take over the session. So take over this particular opportunity, and it's my proud moment to be honest to introduce Rashika for this position. Okay, so Rashika, you want to say something? You just can open the base.
First of all, I thank to our management for promoting me as a chief training officer, and I am thank to my well-wisher AtheenaPandian sir, and at the same time I'm thank to our team members. Actually, they support me a lot for this position, and thanks a lot. and I am definitely fulfilling this roles and responsibility of the CTO, and definitely I will provide my 100% contribution and then dedication towards my work and for to promote our company globally. So yeah, thank you all, thank you for this opportunity.
Yes.